Assalamu alaikum everyone, this is Alishan, your English instructor. Today I'm going to share something that changed my English speaking journey and it might change yours too. I used to stay silent in groups, struggle with words, and feel nervous around native speakers. Sounds familiar? So don't worry. I have got 4 powerful tips that helped me to speak English confidently, and I hope so they are going to be helpful for you. So let's get started. Tip number 1. Think in English, not in your native language. This one is a game changer. Stop translating from your native language to English in your brain. It slows you down. Instead, try thinking simple English sentences like I am feeling hungry or it's time to study. Start small. Train your brain to use English naturally. Tip number 2. Speak alone daily. Yes, you can talk to yourself. It's not weird. It's smart. Stand in front of the mirror or walk in your room and speak for 2 to 5 minutes daily. Talk about your daily tasks, your daily routines, anything randomly. Just speak. This builds confidence and increase your hearing ability in English language. Tip number 3. Learn phrases, not just words. Don't just memorize words like go, come or get. Learn how to use them in phrases. For example, let's go out. Can I come with you? Or I have already eaten. So these phrases help you speak naturally like native speakers. Tip number 4. Don't be afraid of mistakes. This is the biggest barrier in your journey. You will make lots of mistakes, and that's how you learn. Even native speakers mess up sometimes. Just speak with confidence and focus on progress, not perfection. So these were my 4 tips to speak English fluently. Think in English, speak daily, learn phrases, and stop fearing mistakes. If you found this video helpful, give it a like and share it with a friend who's also learning English. And don't forget to subscribe for more helpful videos like this. We are learning together. Thanks for watching. This is Alishan signing off. See you soon guys. Allah Hafiz.